Faulty thermostat wiring and unchecked modes can leave you without heat or cooling when you least expect it. Test every function to make sure wiring and system responses are correct. When replacing or installing a thermostat, treat the job like precision electronics work. Cut power at the breaker, photograph the existing wiring with labels before disconnecting, and compare wire colors to the furnace and air conditioner control board because color standards vary and miswiring is the main cause of failures. Use a multimeter to confirm 24-volt presence and continuity on each control wire, rather than relying on visual inspection. After wiring, power up and run each function one at a time. Set the thermostat to heat, wait for the defined system delay, confirm the furnace ignites, and that the thermostat cycles off at the target temperature. Then repeat for cool and fan-only modes while watching for rapid short cycling, which indicates a wiring or equipment issue. If you have a heat pump, test the auxiliary and reversing valve commands and listen for clicking relays and compressor startup delays to ensure proper staging. Program fan on and fan auto, and verify the blower responds correctly to both signals. If the thermostat supports adaptive recovery or learning algorithms, disable them during initial testing so you can observe raw behavior, record the response times and thermostat error codes, then leave the system in each mode for a full cycle to confirm consistent operation and no drift. One of the top 3 common mistakes is thermostat miswiring leading to system damage. Fix by turning off power, mapping wires to terminals with photos and a multimeter check, and, if uncertain, call a qualified technician. One of the next frequent problems is failing to test every mode, which causes surprises when a rarely used mode is needed. Fix by systematically running heat, cool, fan, and any heat pump auxiliary functions and allowing manufacturer-specified delays so controls and safety interlocks can engage. One of the other common issues is ignoring system delays and protective timeouts that make functions seem non-responsive. Fix by waiting the full 2 to 5 minute compressor lockout or cycle delay, checking for error codes, and confirming each mode shuts off properly to avoid short cycling and tripping safety switches. BigHomeProjects.com is a homeowner directory that helps you find vetted, trusted local contractors who understand proper thermostat wiring, heat pump commissioning, and diagnostic testing. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with local homeowners, seeking reliable installation and repair services.